So this is the CVS photo site, as you can see. Let me take you to the CVS document printing option. In this case, we allow users to upload their personal documents and get it printed from the site. Let me show you how it works. So once the user clicks on the option, they will see this UI or overlay where we do list the different file formats we support. For example, PDF, doc, PPT, TXT. So these different types of file formats we do support and allow users to upload through our site and then get them printed. So let me show you an example probably. So when user clicks on this upload document, they see this, and once they select document, they try to upload documents through this option. They will see My Computer and Google Drive. My Computer is the option wherein they can upload documents which are there in their system, and the Google Drive is the integration which we are providing, and users can use their Google Drive accounts to upload documents which they have stored in their Google Drive. So once they click on this, we show this option where the user can key in their account IDs. So this is the page which comes up after they try to log into their Google Drive account. User has to provide some account ID, and in this case, FileStack API is the one third-party uh, soft- uh, software we are using. So FileStack API, how it works is FileStack file picker allows user to select and import files from their Google Drive into our platform. And FileStack in this case handles the authentication process and retrieves only the files that the user explicitly selects. And no other files are accessed, modified, or stored without the user's direct action. And we also do not access, edit, and delete any of the Google Drive content. So this is how FileStack works. I'll show you how user can select the files which are there in their account. So this page is coming because our application is not yet verified from Google side. Once Google verification is completed, this page is not, it will not be shown. So let me say continue in this case. And as you can see, FileStack API once access for the account I just selected. So, and Google will allow FileStack API to access this information about me, so my account. So once I say OK or continue, this is the screen which we show where it's clearly mentioned that the scope user has to give us access to, or they have to give us consent where we can access the different scopes. So the scopes by this, there are three services wherein once user gives us permission, we'll be able to see their Google Drive files, download their files, and also see the names and emails of the people they have shared their files previously with. So these are the three different services we are asking access to. Once user is okay to give us access, they can tick this box, and along with this, I'll also show you the privacy policy and terms of service from our side. So in case the user wants to see how CVS privacy policy is and how we collect information about our users and what we do with the user data. So they can go through this entire document which we have hosted in our site under the privacy policy URL. They can also check the terms of use, how it is like to use the CVS um, services. So all this information has been provided very clearly, and if user has any doubt, they can go through all the terms and conditions, terms of use, and privacy policy content, which is clearly mentioned over here. And once they are comfortable, they can give us the access permission and say continue. After which the FileStack API will show us the different documents which are there in the account, Google Drive account. Suppose I click on this. So this is the only document which will be uploaded through the API, upload API, and stored according to our privacy policy. So let me try to upload this document. It takes a while. So it is still checking for viruses. Usually it doesn't take much time, but this time it's a little slow. So now after this document is already uploaded, I can convert it to a particular size. And this is a document which I selected from Google Drive, and then and a user by clicking to proceed to cart, they can get it printed. So this is how document printing is done. Now coming to one more workflow where the user probably comes to the site for subsequent printing of their documents. They can again come to the same page, try to upload their documents from the Google Drive, select go to Google Drive. We will show the same overlay. They can sign in. This is the same account I used previously, so I just have to click again continue. In this place also I'm just continuing, but in this case what is happening is we are not again asking access to the previous scope where because I was already given access to this previous three services. So these are the different services which user can cross verify if they want to. So seeing and downloading the Google Drive files and primary Google email account, email addresses, and friends' email addresses, all those stuff. So once they are okay, they can say continue, and the document list will be shown, and user can select. User can select the PDF document and then try to upload for printing. So as you can see in the subsequent printing cases, we are not asking repeated scope uh, permission for from the users. It's already It was already given, so we just show these are the different services we have permission. If you are okay, you can say continue and then upload your document for printing. So let me wait until this gets uploaded and I'll show you the page. So uploading has been done, and the document you can see this is what I want to get it want to get printed, and I can say proceed to cart, after which in the subsequent screens user can pay and then get the document printed. So this is how CVS document printing happens, and we give users an option of Google Drive to upload their documents. Thank you.